So Zoom-nós is a phrase that one of my students came up with. I think Zoom is definitely becoming everyone's best friend. For me, it's the new parish hall where I go and do my dance classes. Now I have students all the way from Japan right around the world to California. There's a real mix there, but they all have the same thing in common. They all love Ireland, they all love Connemara, and they all know about sean-nós dancing, which is amazing. I love waking up, putting on the computer and just seeing all those happy faces tuning in from Japan, and they're always so like energized, upbeat, so happy to be there. It just gives you a great lift to your day. It's a lovely way to wake up. I'm happy to teach the dancing and pass on, you know, the history and the heritage, but on my side they're giving me so much entertainment as well, because I'm still in lockdown too.
You are the representation.
It's really a wonderful thing that we can learn from the teacher we want directly from Ireland. That's Zoom is very good about. We can learn steps by watching YouTube or maybe other performances, but it's very important to learn how the histories are or the backgrounds of the steps. That's very rare opportunity.
My fantasy is just because I've been going to a lot of sessions before, Irish sessions before the coronavirus set in, and I just really hope that by the time it's time to go back to real life when I go to these sessions, but I would love for them to just be playing and for me to just jump out and start doing it, like really.
The reason why this Zoom-nós, sean-nós is so ideal for COVID, for all the lockdowns, all the restrictions, is it's a dance that you can do yourself. So you can social distance all you want. You don't need a partner. Sean-nós dancing is on the spot. We don't use up the floor space that would be in the other dance styles. So for a lot of people, all they need is one small corner of the house to do their class. They're providing me with all the entertainment that I suppose I would have had going to live venues and doing the concerts and being out and about. They're filling that time for me too, so it's magic on both sides, I think.